My name is Shabir.
My name is David.
Ian Lambert.
I'm Darren Nisbet.
Steve Cash.
Denise Davies. Most people call me Dee.
I look after the Hawke's Bay.
I look after the Brisbane region.
I look after the North Shore in Auckland.
I work for the Nelson region.
I currently service Port Melbourne in Australia.
Been involved with Final Touch for 13 years. I've been with Final Touch for 18 months.
3 months.
I've been with Final Touch for roughly a year.
Before Final Touch I was renting cars in the Gold Coast, and before that I was doing accounting and modelling.
I was working at Port Melbourne as a stevedore, so driving cars off the boat. It's good money, but the only problem was casual work.
Background, I'm an ex-car painter. I ran bottle shops and pubs.
I worked in the construction industry. Had nothing to do with car polishing or car care, but learned the system and got involved with Final Touch.
Final Touch has given me the opportunity to make good money with the balance of my family life.
It allowed us to work from home, which is a good thing. We run our business from home.
It's allowed me to get a really good work and life balance. I can work and go home at a time that I want to.
It's a lifestyle change.
Our Final Touch has definitely given me a great lifestyle. It gives you the flexibility of hours to work, days to work.
You could be working at a normal job and yeah, you get a set wage, whereas in this I can determine what I earn by the hard work I put in.
It's a very easy product to use. It's a very good product to use.
It's got a great system that we use, which is a patent smart shipping system.
It's a system they haven't really seen, which is gives us the advantage in the market. Everyone's using different types of paint brushes and all the bits and pieces where we come in with the spray technology and a better result. End result is what seems to work.
There's no comparison.
There's nothing close to it at the moment.
And I think it's the world's best system out there currently, and there's a lot of potential to grow within different markets.
There's nothing like Final Touch. And the value that it adds to cars is, I think, it's unparalleled.
My advice towards someone that's looking to get involved with Final Touch is, first of all, get involved. It's a fantastic company with a great culture.
Final Touch is a diverse company. Jump on board, give it a go, see if it's right for you, and if it is, you'll reap the rewards.
Do it.
Just do it.
Get involved. It could be a great opportunity.
Final Touch is, I guess, a great company to be part of. If you enjoy cars, you enjoy that freedom, you want to make great money, these are the things that Final Touch can provide you.
Yeah, man, I love it.
This will be amazing. So, cheers, guys.
Proud. See ya.